Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about the operating system that is found in Apple's smartphones and tablets, namely iOS. It is what makes these devices work, allowing you to run applications, browse the internet, and much more. Do you know how it differs from other systems like Android? Listen carefully because the little animals are just talking about that. By a big tree, the little rat and the sparrow were wondering about smartphones. The little rat said that his friend only uses an iPhone because he claims it is the safest phone. The sparrow stated that iOS is indeed well secured, but added that it does not allow installing applications from outside the official store. The little rat was surprised because he thought every smartphone worked the same way. The sparrow explained that iOS is a closed system, which means that Apple controls which applications can be installed, increasing security. At the playground, the kitten and the puppy were talking about applications. The kitten said that he once wanted to create his own application for the iPhone, but it turned out that he had to use a special programming language and Apple tools. The puppy added that iOS has its unique rules, and applications must meet strict requirements before they make it to the application store. The kitten admitted that it is interesting but a bit limiting for creators, to which the puppy replied that this way, users can be more confident that the applications work reliably and are safe. On the meadow, the ladybug and the frog were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and asked them what they know about iOS. The ladybug said that iOS is an operating system that works only on Apple devices. It has a closed structure and allows installing applications only from the App Store. The frog added that because of this, iPhones are better protected against viruses, as all applications must pass quality control. I praised them for their good answers. iOS is a system that focuses on security and stability. Today, we learned that iOS is Apple's operating system, which stands out with its closed structure and high level of security. Applications must be approved by Apple before they reach the application store, which helps protect users from harmful software. Thank you for being with me, and see you next time.